Selling your home soon? These are the top real estate terms that you should know. 1. Contingency. A contingency is a clause in a real estate contract that allows one or both parties to back out of the deal if certain conditions are not met. Diligence. Due diligence is the time period a buyer has after having an offer accepted and before closing to examine the property in full detail. 3. Rent back. A rent back is an agreement between a buyer and a seller that allows the seller to stay living in the home after closing in exchange of rent payments. It's also called temporary stay. 4. Equity. Equity is the difference between your property's market value and how much you own on the mortgage. For example, if your property is worth $500,000 and you owe $300,000, then you have a $200,000 equity. These are just 4 of the top 10 real estate terms that homeowners and buyers should know. For a detailed breakdown of all 10 terms, tap the link in bio. Ready to list your home? Send me a DM.